you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for Lemon8 app. You just click on search. So then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to, when you click on Lemon8 here, it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just so you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking